I'm Aaron from Patrolapart. We're out here at Mount Terrible today with Simon and the crew from 4 Drive TV. We've brought along our Series 5 Y62 today. One of the products this car's got on it is our own bash plate system. It's a 3-plate system that protects the radiator, the engine sump and the automatic transmission sump. We've seen classic conditions today of why we fit a bash plate system, and that's to protect the underside of the car from rocks. It's very easy out here to slide off something or not see something and drop the car onto a rock. And the last thing you want to do is puncture a hole in your auto or your engine sump or the bottom of your radiator and be stranded out here. We just couldn't find something on the market that fitted the need that we had or that we wanted to aim for. So that's designed here in Australia, manufactured here in Australia. We've made it out of the lightest material we can, so all 3 pieces are alloy, varying in thickness depending on where we needed more strength under the car. We've got protection where we need it, but we haven't added any material where we don't need it. We didn't want to impact on airflow or getting heat out of the engine bay away from the exhaust. We've designed it with a real purpose in mind of protecting the vehicle, but not adding excess weight or any other complications. It's one of the first accessories that we recommend to people who are coming out into this terrain, because it's just so vital for protecting the mechanicals of the vehicle. So you can come in store, you can jump on our website and order and have them delivered, or we can arrange to have them fitted for you.